Well, brain mapping is first telling us what parts of the brain are not effective, what's
Okay.
not working,
Okay.
right? So we're looking at areas of the brain. So we're looking at three major things. We're
Okay.
looking first at the magnitude of the brain. How much energy is the brain using? How
Mm,
peaks are the waves of your
mm,
brain? So big waves tend to be someone with attention deficit. So anxiety is going to be someone very fast brain waves, right?
mm,
Then we're going to look at the left to right side of the brain. We're going to see the symmetry. And when we see a dominant symmetry, we can tell if a person's depressed or if they have
mm,
anxiety. And
mm,
then we're going to look at their dominant brainwave pattern. If they get stuck in a delta brainwave pattern, most
mhm,
likely they've had a head trauma or some sort
mm,
of concussion,
mhm,
traumatic brain injury. They might also have some metabolic issues as well, not metabolic, but more like metals, heavy metals, and exotoxicity in the body. So that will cause brain waves to be very slow. Now, the next set of brain waves that we get are theta brain waves. The theta brain waves are what people know of for meditative states.
yeah.
And everybody wants to get into like an alpha theta state, and that's great. But if you're stuck in a theta brain wave and you can't regulate out of it, you're going to be an attention deficit kind of person, an ADD, ADHD person.
Mm,
If you have high alpha brain waves, most likely you have a metabolic issue. You're going to have mitochondrial issues in the cell. You're going to have more prone to depression, more leaky gut issues. You're going to see things that are, you're going to feel depressed. And depression is a multi layered thing. You know, besides the emotions, you also will have trauma to the gut, like lack of the collagen is something that's really powerful for healing the gut.